So Creative and the Quilting Basics Workshop. My name is Ellen and I'll be your instructor for the class. This class is designed for those who are new to sewing or who have some experience at sewing but are new to quilting. You should be receiving an email from me pretty soon telling you the list of supplies and accessories that you'll need for this class.
Choosing the right fabrics is crucial for your success in this class. You can purchase the fabric kit to make the quilt like the sample in the store. But if you want a different look, please come in and ask for assistance in choosing the fabrics. Our staff can help you choose which fabrics will be appropriate for this project and give you the greatest measure of success. You'll also need 1 or 2 different threads and an assortment of notions and supplies. You will receive a 15% discount on anything purchased for class at Be So Creative. So when you come into the shop, let our staff know that it's for class when you're checking out at the register. Day 1 is all about fabric and cutting. You won't need your machine yet, but bring your fabric and cutting supplies. We use a rotary cutting mat and rotary cutter to make the fabric strips and pieces our quilt project requires. If you don't have your own yet, you're welcome to use the store's equipment during class. On day 2, we'll set up the machines and start sewing. Right now is a good time to check that your machine is in good working order. If it needs repair or adjustment, bring it in and let our technicians take a look. Repairs can take as long as 4 weeks or more, so plan ahead. A quilt is made of layers. The quilt top is the beautiful layer you put your artistry into. The quilt back is usually a solid piece of fabric that goes well with the top, and in the middle is the batting, which creates the warmth and fluffy texture of the quilt. On days 3 and 4, we'll be finishing the quilt top, adding borders, and basting all the layers together. Day 5 will be the day to do the actual quilting. This is the process of sewing through all the layers to hold them together. You'll need a walking foot or dual feed foot for this step. A walking foot attaches to your machine in place of the regular presser foot. You'll need to use one that is specifically made for your brand of machine. We can help you find the right one, but we recommend that you come in 3 or 4 weeks before class just in case it needs to be special ordered. Finally, on day 6, you'll learn to make and attach a binding that creates a finished edge around your beautiful quilt. When you arrive for class, please come to the front entrance. Our doors open right around 10 a.m.
If you have any questions, you can call our store at 575-523-2000 or email me, Ellen, at gooddaytosew@gmail.com. I look forward to meeting you all and hope to see you soon.